Why do 80% of new Ready or Not players get caught off guard by open doors? It's simple. Threats can hide anywhere. Let's fix that. First, always prioritize visible threats. If you see a suspect, deal with them immediately. Hear something suspicious? Don't ignore it. Pursue auditory threats even if you can't spot them yet. Treat open doors like danger zones and approach closed doors with caution. Use your mirror gun to peek under doors and around corners before rushing in. Study the map so you know where enemies might lurk or where you could get pinned down. Move slowly and quietly. Don't sprint into the unknown. Communicate with your team and coordinate your breaching method. Sometimes a charge works, sometimes a shotgun is best. Command suspects to surrender and always secure your squad's safety first. Turn on player names and highlight weapons in your HUD to avoid friendly fire and spot evidence easily. Finally, use chem lights to mark cleared rooms, but remember, suspects can re-enter. Master these basics and you'll level up fast.